Well guys, it's a Railfest up here in Lake County at Lakeland Community College. It's day 2 of Railfest. Randy and I had obligations yesterday and couldn't make it. So coming in on day 2, see if there's anything left. Randy's bringing up some stuff to maybe swap out if that's a possibility. We'll see. But we're gonna head in, pay our admission, and this is usually a pretty good show. So usually a lot of HO and N, but we'll see if there's some O for us to get on the layout. Alrighty guys, we're gonna pay our admission, get inside. It's a little chilly today. Click back in here in a minute. Well, first table over here to the left got some 027. Pretty T-scale. Looks like a little Bessemer. $15, that's not bad.
How are you, man? We can take that out for you. No, that's okay. I can see how you're done. I can see how that's right. I like having you out here for stop because you got your stuff. Yeah, I know. See if
If you're into the bigger LTV stuff, there's the Pico, 45. PS2.
Just naturally, that's what I like your table.
I know, I like to take everybody's money, and then they walk around with a
Williams set. Some these are Weavers, a little pricey. More 027. Santa Fe AV set, Postwar. Is that MPC? MPC here. J-Class Bachman set. $85 for the set, not bad. Some HO freights that have never been out of the box. $7-8 bucks. Some Spectrum. Broadway Limited. Some N scale stuff starting off at $4. Some Cotto stuff. So our good friend Mike out of Texas has his table up here, and he usually has some good deals. He's got this centipede set for $475. PS1 set. He's got some Rail King E8s, Rail King J class. Rail King right there. What do you got? A GP7. It's like a Rail King GP7. Does he have a price on this guy? I don't want to mess his table up here. Oh, right there in front of me. It's like $290 for that guy. Looks like he's got a lot of Rail King. This go around. Here's a PS1 Hudson for $250. He's got the passenger cars for that J class. Some shorty passenger cars, $30. So this Crescent Limited set down here. This looks like a Williams set. Yeah, this is the box for it right there. Crescent Limited set. I'll tell you, these Williams cars are not bad. It's in nice shape for $120. It's pretty nice, actually. Some more Rail King stuff down here. A Line Master Hudson. There's a scale-sized 482 mountain. Can't see the price. Oh, right there. Well, I don't think he's asking $900 for it. TNCC set right there. B unit, a lot of Rail King stuff. Lots of Rail King. Not a lot of MTH Premier this go around, unfortunately. Oh, excuse me.
Hey, yeah, how you doing? Good. What you see you like, gang? Find anything?
Well, looks like you got mostly Rail King this go around.
Well, the Rail King is scale.
Yeah,
Those are scale.
yeah. I wasn't here yesterday, and
The only thing I got from here is the centipedes right
yeah,
now.
the PS1 centipedes.
Yeah. Give you a deal on those.
Oh, dude, I wouldn't be able to run them on my layout. They're too big.
They're huge.
We only have 060 as our max. He's got some. It's like S scale stuff there.
You run a train over this
Whole bunch of
We're here to sell.
switchers.
You know these prices. Just, I don't want to take this home. I'm not here. I don't get paid to take this. Yeah. Yeah, not a problem. How much on the set?
50. It's brand new. It's complete.
Yeah, I haven't eyeballed one of those for a long time.
Michael, do you have a card?
Good price.
No,
You don't have a card?
but I'll give you my money.
Yeah.
$50 is a great price for this. You know it is.
Looks like somebody collected P&L
Yeah.
P&LE that you bought
Those
from.
all
Go home with you 2 days.
DCC would sell.
We'll be here
Okay.
till 3. We'll be here till 3. Well, after 3. 3 is fine.
That's not forward, but okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 3 days. Well, when we all set up.
Here on the second day, these guys they kind of want to pack up, and they don't want to take all this stuff back with them if they don't have to. So a lot of times you can make some decent deals if you find some stuff you like. The downside being everything's pretty picked through at this point. So your options are a little bit more limited. The show this year is pretty small. So some reproductions. That's some Williams stuff right there. Not seeing a whole lot of scale-sized O scale. Let's go to the other side of the room. Bunch of post-war stuff here. Tag. Let's see. 185 for that one.
I've got Custer, I got Lee,
Yeah,
I think maybe Annie Oakley.
that's Darren's.
Oh, Dalen.
Yes. Yeah, this is Mackenzie. He's a very hard so he's a nice
Why should I know who
Some Lionel over here. Got,
First time I've seen that.
huh.
I might think about that too.
Seeing, not really seeing any great deals. Man, that's, I mean, these must be brand new. I guess come to a train show with brand new stuff. I suppose that's not out of the realm of possibility, but you can go to the train store for brand new stuff. I don't know, I usually come to these wanting to see secondhand. Got a ton of, this is got 027. '27 stuff here. Some HO, it's like $9 a piece. Here's some stuff with horn hook couplers at $5 a piece. And some more at $5. whole lot of scale size stuff at this show. Another room. Let's see if we got a lot of hobby supplies here. In this room, I see some MTH boxes back here. Let's take a look. There's a nice pair Marquette 2-car add-on for $85. The Empire State Express. $400 for the set. Okay.
So in other words, that's fully acceptable.
It's a nice Williams. It's no problem. Nice Williams brass set. Okay.
You can put brakes.
And then is that like remote control?
Okay.
Things that you can walk with or whatever.
Alrighty then.
Like one of the things that you can
What's
do.
this guy?
You can turn
He's
headlights
got some.
on, you can have them flash back and forth. You can turn the number boards on. You can turn the headlights on. You can turn.
So you can do all that DCC stuff with the remote.
Yes. Exactly.
That'd be cool. So you just stand in one place, you sit in one place with your beer, and you do all this stuff.
If you want to, you can.
All right, Frank.
That's what you gotta do.
Molded Hot Wheels. We got some kind of open box HO cars here. 5 for $50 would be about $10 a car. These all have, well, some of them have KDs, some of them have horn hook couplers. I guess it would be a matter of if you got here and found what you liked before somebody else did.
Different capabilities. So can you plug an 8-pin into a 21-pin socket?
Alright, Mr. King, what else do you want to
There
do?
we go. Here's some $20 locomotives, $10 dummies. Looks like they've been painted.
It's the same way. It's the same way that Apple went from Lightning. You know, it's just the way the companies always
So in your opinion,
Let's see, over here we've got some scenery stuff and some smaller scale stuff, but I see some purple and orange boxes over here. Looks like a Blue Comet set. Not sure if this, that's Lionel. Lionel Blue Comet. Semi-scale size. $4.95 for that set. Let's go back here and see what we have scale sized. There's a nice set of F units. 425. Those are PS1 for $425. Okay. There's a PS3 GP20 without the original box for more than retail. Okay. Well, I can walk over here and I pretty much see essentially pretty darn close to retail. $50 for a cylindrical. That's a nice hopper, but I'm not paying $50 at this train show for anything. These look like Williams to me. I can't be sure. Well, they have the doors that open. This might be MTH, but I don't see the box. I hate to pull those out. If they are MTH, they're PS1 units. Yeah, they're gonna be MTH because they got a red ribbon. Those would be PS1. Okay. Well, alrighty then. We'll keep looking. So, I'm just trying to spot some O-scale scale size stuff. Not having a whole lot of luck. Got some American Flyer back here. N scale club layout. Yeah, some more American Flyer. Looks like they're selling it from an estate. I've never collected S or American Flyer stuff, so I'm not real knowledgeable on what represents a good value. So, the hunt for O scale continues. There's some more HO. Appears to be brand new HO. This room mainly it's got a few club layouts. Yep, I see some Lionel right there. I must have walked past it right when I walked in the room. Show has a lot of older HO, at it. Here's a table full of N. I'll go past that here in a second. I would imagine, yeah, it's going to be all 027 stuff here at this table. I would imagine that the majority of these vendors are going to be at the International Exposition Center in Cleveland next week, which is right next to Hopkins Airport. So, being that they close up shop here in a couple hours, I would imagine that whatever goes unsold here is going to find its way to that show. Looks like they've marked these HO cars down for $5 a piece. There's some nice cars here on the table. Katie, they all have Katie couplers on them. So some of them have been lightly weathered. There's a pretty cool die-cast truck. There's a 6-piece post-war set for $295. Guys are $25 to $75. interesting. It's a cool 430. $65. That's a Kato unit. Really nice. It's like some Dash 8s. SD60.
Really?
75.
This isn't that.
That is freedom modernism.
SD60 right there. That's pretty cool. Couple 45s for $75. Wisconsin Central. There's a 40-2. $40. I don't see any markings on that guy. I'm not sure what brand that is. It's pretty nice. Nice little GP30. Nice detail, $50 piece. Kato unit for 70. Proto 2000 nickel plate GP30 for 45. Stuff down here. It's a Concord, $25. Pretty nice. Is that a Mohawk? No, that wouldn't be a Mohawk. It's Union Pacific. What is that? Is that a Norton? River Rossi. FEF3. Cool. $150 for that. River Rossi. Atlantic TMCC. Rolled right away. Malay 2662 CNO 500.
He built it just to think what he
Here's some K-line heavyweights, New York Central heavyweights. These are the long ones. These are nice. I don't see a price tag on them. No price tag on them. $60. Those are nice. There's a Rail King with maybe a SW9. That's a PS1. PS1, SW, maybe SW9, and I dropped the ribbon.
Thank you.
Thank you. Any questions, just let me know.
Yes, sir. cars. Trying to see if something jumps out at me. Somehow I missed this room. There's some 27 stuff down here. Flat car. $20 stuff, $20.
It starts over again, but at 4 hours. So it looks like an extra hour and a half before I woke up and checked that.
Got some end scale over here. EV set, GP60Ms, DCC for $300 for the set. A bunch of switchers, $1.75 Atlas switchers. Some Kato units, I'm sure those are DC, 95. Hard to tell. They look like old paint. Yeah, SD70Ms with the flared radiators. Most of these are 80 to 100, 110, 120 single units. Kato's and Atlas. Maybe. Can't tell. It looks like they maybe have never been unpacked. There's a Mopac. Probably an SD60 or 50. 60. Four flat cars. So to me, one that's priced at $45. That one seems a little out of place. I think somebody hit a 4 instead of a 1.
I am. I just put his name on the T-scale and his V-scale, so he's coming back. We're going to split that.
Oh, I wonder what
Nice.
negotiate.
Yeah.
That was box cars for $12. Got a little bit of Z-scale here. I'd say that's maybe, what would you say that is? 1 by 2? Yeah. 1 by 2. 1 foot, 12 inches by 24 inches. Give me a little loop of Z-scale going. My eyes aren't good enough to see HO anymore. Well, not gonna lie, a little disappointed. Wasn't the best show in the world, and that might have a little something to do with next week's show at the International Exposition Center out in Cleveland. It's gonna be the big show at the manufacturers, but you know, the good thing is the weather sucks. Yesterday it was beautiful, sunny, 60 degrees. As I left Columbus, drove up here to Cleveland, and then today it's snowing. So it is what it is. It's just good to be alive. But all right, well, I managed to bump into a couple of our friends in the hobby. Our friend Jake that Randy and I bought some stuff from in the past out of Youngstown, Ohio, was here, and I bought a couple BCRs from him, and Randy actually sold some of his stuff to our buddy Mike Singletary, who will also be at the show next week. Jake will be at the UAW show in Parma next week. So a bunch of train shows going on up here in the Cleveland area. This one, you know, did not bear much fruit for us this year, but in any case, we're gonna hop in the truck and head her back to my brother's and get on the layout. All right, everybody. Hey, thanks for visiting with us here at the Lake Erie Midwestern. All right, happy railroading. Take care.